With all the family gatherings, office parties, and neighborhood get-togethers coming up, it's important to have a few appetizers that we can throw together in a flash. So here's one that's done, start to finish, in less than 20 minutes. Plus, everything you need is probably right in your fridge. We start by unrolling a can of refrigerated crescent roll dough. After separating them, we cut each one in half, like this. These get brushed with some oil that we drain from a jar of sun-dried tomatoes. As for the tomatoes, we chop them up and sprinkle them over the dough along with some slivered fresh basil and a bit of garlic powder. We roll them up and place them on a baking pan, seam side down. Then we top them with some grated Parmesan. Right before serving, into the oven they go for about 10 minutes. And before you know it, you've got yourself a crowd-pleasing appetizer. And talk about looking festive. With the red from the tomatoes and the green from the basil, you can't miss. Serve these along with your favorite cocktails and it's an instant party. The recipe for our Italian Crescent Rollups is online now. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a party-starting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.